Features 1. Eco-friendly battery power. Suitable for workshop, warehouse, hotel and other indoor places. 0 turning radius, suitable for narrow space. It is compact to pass easily. 2. Pothole protection. Pothole plate opens after the equipment is raised up to ensure the stability and safety of the platform when driving at height and tires drop into pothole. 3. Level sensing. When machine tilts over 2 degrees, only lowering is allowed. 4. Hand shearing protection. When the equipment lowers to 2 meters, it will stop automatically. 5. Emergency lowering. When there is emergency, pull out the emergency lower button and the equipment will slowly lower. 6. Emergency stop button. In case of emergency, press the emergency stop button. The equipment can stop working. 7. Swing open cove. Swing open covers can be opened to be convenient for maintenance and repairing. 8. Core components are distributed, with the battery width placed on both sides and the power unit in the center. This layout is more reasonable, providing better stability. 9. Indoor-outdoor mode switch available. 10. Chain self-leveling system to ensure equal tension on both chains. 11. Chain inspection hole is easy to inspect the wearing situation anytime. 12. Lift cylinder with oil inside to avoid rusting after long time storage. The cylinder and the valve are welded together to avoid leakage caused by poor sealing. 13. Oil collection box inside to prevent oil leakage. 14. Tripping blocks to prevent the durable cables strap from the pulley. 15. Fixed joystick to prevent the joystick sliding when operating. 16. Flashing beacon on the cover. 17. Reset switch and overload indicator equipped in ECU panel. 18. Bumper sticks to protect the body from damage in tight spaces. 19. Extension platform option. With heavy-duty slide rails to improve loading capacity and stability. Self-locking extension mechanism makes the extension more. 20. AC power on platform option is more convenient to use electric tools at height. 21. Cable option to ensure the mast synchronize the lowering. Compliant with CE and ANSI.